Okay. So we will just start with a little bit of short meditation. And I would like everyone to just please close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in once again. Please close your eyes and take a deep breath. One more deep breath. And we will relax ourselves. We'll relax our body. We will relax our mind. One more deep breath and we will relax our shoulders. We'll relax our forehead. One more deep breath, breathing in all the relaxation and releasing all the stress and tension of the day and just completely coming in the zone. No matter how was the day, no matter how good or bad you felt, this is me time. And right now we will just relax and indulge in ourselves. Take a deep breath once again. And we will again, once again, we will thank the God, thank the Supreme Power, whoever you believe in, for a wonderful day you had today, for keeping you safe and healthy. For taking you through the day, for giving you new experiences, and we will all relax and we will again take a one more deep breath. All the relaxation you can and breathe out all the stress, all the tensions, all the problems you have. You can open your eyes. And welcome to the workshop. So today we will be, we will be talking about how to evaluate your life and, you know, how to evaluate your life and how to evaluate yourself. So somebody said that uh, some noise is coming. Someone is saying that. I hope it's clear now. You are able to hear clearly. I guess everyone is muted, so now I hope there will be no noise and we can get started. So today we will be talking about how to evaluate ourselves and our lives, right? And and why it is important to evaluate ourselves. It is important to evaluate ourselves so that we can understand how much balanced our life is and what measures and in what areas we really need to work upon. Normally what happens that for everyone, for each one of us, some of the areas are very well balanced, well maintained, we are thriving in there, and there are certain areas where we are lacking behind, right? But as a human tendency, जहाँ पर अच्छा हो रहा होता है वहाँ हम बहुत पॉजिटिव होते हैं एंड वी कीप ऑन वर्किंग ऑन दोज एरियाज ओनली, क्योंकि वहाँ हमें पता है रिजल्ट आ रहा है, everything is going good and we are happy, we are positive, we are prospering there, तो हम उन्हीं एरियाज पे ज्यादा फोकस कर लेते हैं जहाँ पर ऑलरेडी अच्छा हो रहा होता है. जहाँ पर we are already lagging behind, we try to become lazy there to work upon those areas, because somewhere somehow you have failed in those areas, or nobody likes failures, and उन failures को आपको फेस करने में प्रॉब्लम आती है, आपको फेस करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. इस वजह से it happens that we start lagging, keep on lagging on those areas, and rather and thriving in the in certain areas, right? So what is a balanced life? Balanced life is, when you are living with balance in your life, you are living with peace and harmony every day. Every single day you are at peace in your mind, you are in harmony in every area of your life, you are in sync with all the areas of your life, and you are not having any friction from one phase or one aspect of your life to another aspect of your life. ऐसा नहीं है कि ऑफिस में तो वी आर जस्ट डूइंग सो गुड, वी आर द मोस्ट वंडरफुल एम्प्लॉय, we are achieving accolades, having achievements every day there, but our personal life is not so happening. And then there, no matter how much achievement you have made, no matter how much successful you are, suddenly it doesn't feels like that much meaningful, because you don't have anyone to share it with, so your relationships are not at par with the your professional life. So that is an imbalanced kind of a life. Or you are doing very well in relationships, you have a lot of money, but your health is not supporting you. So पैसा होते हुए भी you are not able to travel, you are not able to go out, you are stuck on bed or something or the other, so that is again where you are having or leading an unbalanced life. Similarly, with our attitude, with our confidence level, if we are an introvert, or if we lack confidence in ourselves, we are always self-criticizing, self-sabotaging ourselves. So it always happens that we tend to lead an unbalanced life. Now, before we go any further, I just remembered that Rekha didn't join yesterday, and she was asking for some recording or something like that, where we told that we will be doing a little bit of recap of what we have done yesterday. So, if you allow me 5 minutes, I will just give a recap to Rekha. Is it okay with everyone? Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. So, Rekha, yesterday we talked about what is happiness, and how and where we are leading a happy life or not. We talked about how we can raise our happiness quotient, and we talked about certain exercises which I recommend people doing, so that they are leading a constant state of, they are into a constant state of happiness altogether. All right. So we talked about also, I discussed some hacks, like some exercises or activities which are meditating daily. Daily meditation is a must to have to find that happiness within, which we all talk about. And we also talked about a daily routine of exercises, maybe a little bit of walk or a gym, whatever kind of a person you are. If you are a physical fitness freak kind of a person, you can hit the gym. Obviously, you are already, you must be hitting a gym. And but if you're not, you can, go for some walk or little bit anything which releases some chemicals and which helps you to deplete your energies or channelize your energies in the right way. Similarly, the habit of acknowledging and paying gratitude is something which we should do every day. And I recommend having a 5 minutes ritual of maintaining a gratitude journal kind of a thing, or a book or a notebook kind of a thing, wherein you can write daily morning. You can write what all you are thankful for in your life, and it has shown miracles. In fact, in our group also, Daniel yesterday told us that he has seen so tremendous results with gratitude and with exercises and with meditation, right? So this is something which we should all follow. I'm not saying you build up a long list every day or you do not have time. Maybe you can even say out aloud, or you can listen to some gratitude meditations, whatever is your way of a mode of working, that can be done. But writing always helps you to channelize the energies, and it helps you to acknowledge much more than than watching a video or listening to an audio. And after that, I also recommended to maintain a journal on a daily basis, wherein it is like a diary or your personal friend or your best friend, wherein you can pour your heart out, which you cannot speak to anybody else. Journal has shown tremendous results in people having anger management, anger issues, having low self confidence, having self sabotaging tendencies. they have they have shown a tremendous transformation with the practice of journal. And it is just like a diary where you can write in your daily routine whatever you feel like. The idea is not to hold yourself, and just to write and with the flow whatever you want to do. So this is what we shared. And we also talked about that normally happiness, as we saw the list also in the group yesterday, that happiness was always we uh, keep our happiness or depend for being happy on the external factors rather than going on the internal things. It is easily said that we should look happiness within, but it doesn't happen that way. So it is okay to be sad also. It's not necessary to be happy always. But how fast you come out or how you react to that situation, that definitely defines how happy you are, or how much in control you are of your life. You are not giving the key to others to trigger your happiness or sadness. So I think that was a very short gist of yesterday's session. And now coming back to today's one again, we are talking about what is a balanced life. And as I told you that definitely a balanced life is wherein we are living in peace and harmony every day, wherein in every form we are balanced. Be it a physical form, be it our health, our physique, our body, emotional, what are our feelings, our thoughts, our own our values, our beliefs. And then spiritual also, whatever we are it's not about any religion, but how much spiritual how much peace of mind we have in terms of spiritual forms, right? So I hope everyone enjoys having a pizza. I hope everyone likes a pizza, and mostly when you go to pizza, yeah, Domino's or Pizza Hut or anywhere, and you order a large pizza, and they cut it into pieces and give it to you. They try to cut it into equal pieces, but normally what happens? One piece is very one piece is small, one piece is big, and then kids are fighting over that. मुझे बड़ा चाहिए, मुझे छोटा चाहिए. So that is how our life looks like. It's a pizza which is not well defined and well nicely cut down into equal pieces. You know. So what happens when the pizza has an unequal share? We tend to fight over किसको बड़ा piece मिलेगा, किसको छोटा मिलेगा. Similarly, it's our life. When it's not balanced, we are having a gala time in one area, but we are, you know, not so happy in another area, and then it is impacting both of us. Both the things are impacting us. क्योंकि किसी को छोटा पीस मिला, किसी को बड़ा पीस मिला, इफेक्टेड कौन है? पेरेंट्स। हम ही इफेक्टेड है, क्योंकि हमारी एक पार्ट को एक एक किड्स, दो बच्चे हैं आपके, एक बच्चे को छोटा पीस मिल गया, एक बच्चे को बड़ा पीस मिल गया, दे आर फाइटिंग ओवर इट, बट हु इज इफेक्टेड? द पेरेंट इज इफेक्टेड। सिमिलरली इट्स अ लाइफ कि अगर एक एरिया में हमारी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स है और एक एरिया बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, तो दो फ्रिक्शन आता है उसमें, दैट फ्रिक्शन लीड्स टू chaos and stress and depression, frustration, and that is all we are having on ourselves. We are taking a toll on ourselves due to imbalance in our different areas of our life. So definitely it is very important that we align all our areas together. We keep our areas in sync so that we are able to live a balanced life, right? So now I gave this circle, it is called Wheel of Life, and I gave this circle to you all to, you know, to fill it up, and somebody rated and gave it in the group, like just like that. So अगर आप देखोगे, I will just explain you a little bit. We have a rating from 1 to 10 in each of the this thing. If you can see, if you are seeing my screen, then you will see that we have a rating of 1 to 10. Can you see? So this is personal growth area where we have a rating of 1 to 10. Similarly, health 1 to 10, family 1 to 10, relationship, similarly all areas, right? अब हमने करना क्या है? We have to mark on these dots. So suppose our personal growth is at 6, we will mark a dot or a line on 6 here, right? Similarly, if our health is at maybe 4, we will mark a 4 here. Family wise, we are at 8, we will mark an 8 here. Relationships, maybe we are at 2 or 3, we will mark here. Social life, we are at 0 or 10, whatever, you can mark here. Same way is attitude. What is your attitude towards life, towards yourself in general? You will mark here. Career wise, how strong you feel you are. Maybe 3, 4, 9, 10, 7. And same with the finances. Once you have marked these ratings, you will connect the dots. And if you will connect the dots, you will have a figure something like this. Can you see? Can you see the figure?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, so this is what I have just randomly did some ratings, and when I connect the dots, you will see this is your wheel of life, and you will also see that it is not a perfect circle. So the idea is not to rate on a piece of paper just like as a number, but idea is to rate on this picture, and then then you can join the dots and see how much round your circle is. Did you all got my point?
Yes.
Yeah, so when you will join these dots, you will find out that no one's circle would be perfect in the starting, but the idea is how we can make this circle a perfect round. That is when we will have a balanced life. अगर आपका किसी में 9 है, किसी में 2 है, किसी में 5 है, किसी में 3 जा रहा है, haphazardly ऊपर नीचे है, then you will not be able to have that balanced life which we are talking about. And definitely जब वो balanced life नहीं होगी,
एक क्वेश्चन, हेल्थ एक है कि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, दूसरा एक है कि आप एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं.
हाँ,
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है लेकिन एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ योर हेरिडिटरी डिस्पोजिशन, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
right.
ठीक है, तो ये हेल्थ की सही डेफिनेशन है. फैमिली का क्या मतलब है? मतलब फैमिली
The definition has come from your end.
Correct.
That's why it is our wheel of life. It is our happiness we are talking about. तो डेफिनेशन कोई और नहीं देगा। अगर एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन है, एक एथलीट है, उसका हेल्थ का लेवल और हेल्थ का डेफिनेशन इज वे डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अ नॉर्मल पर्सन हु इज अ नॉर्मल ऑफिस गोअर या एक हाउसवाइफ, या उसके कंपैरिजन में एक एथलीट का हेल्थ का स्टैंडर्ड विल बी वेरी डिफरेंट, you know. So agar if I am a normal working person here and I am regularly exercising, but still अगर मैं एथलीट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखने लगूंगी तो आई विल बी एट अ 0 or 1 or 2 level only. But maybe in general, if I see my health as per me, if I understand, then maybe my health is at 6 or 7, right? तो ये जो areas हैं specific, these areas you have to define in your own terms. How much you feel.
कुछ मैम अगर
फाइनेंसिस की बात करो, 10,000 रुपए कमाने वाला आदमी भी बहुत खुश रहता है और 10 करोड़ कमाने वाला भी खुश नहीं रहता है. You know, they want more. So this is the idea which you have to create yourself. What is your parameter on which you are measuring your ratings. अगर मैं सोशल लाइफ की बात करूं, मे बी आई एम नॉट अ सोशल पर्सन, so I'm okay with 1 or 2 also there, and that for me, agar I'm not a social person, and if I am still attending a little bit of gatherings or little bit going in social media, और थोड़ा बहुत मैं social media पे आ जाती हूँ, या कुछ चीजें हैं where I interact with people and not too much, but ठीक है, at my level I find it satisfactory, then I can give it a 6. बट अगर कोई पब्लिक फिगर है, मे बी अगर सलमान खान है एंड ही इज नॉट इवन कमिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा एवरी डे और एवरी अदर डे, देन उसके पैरामीटर के हिसाब से सोशल लाइफ विल बी मे बी माइनस. हैव यू गॉट माय पॉइंट?
Understood.
Is everyone clear on this parameter? How will you measure this? How will you rate it?
यहाँ पे मैम एक क्वेश्चन है फैमिली और रिलेशनशिप को लेकर.
Gaurav, your voice is very low.
Can you hear me now, ma'am?
Yes.
फैमिली का यहाँ पे मतलब क्या, मतलब what is it?
Family in terms of your immediate family in terms of your parents, your kids, your spouse, your siblings. That is the family we are talking about. Relationship तो एक फैमिली अलग चीज होती है, लेकिन उस फैमिली में रिलेशनशिप कैसी है वो अलग चीज हो जाती है. आपके अपने मदर के साथ या अपने फादर के साथ क्या रिलेशनशिप है, ही इज ऑल्सो इन फैमिली, बट आपकी रिलेशनशिप कैसी है, आपके बच्चों के साथ में आपकी रिलेशनशिप कैसी है, you know.
So family here means the relationship with your family members. That's what.
Relationship with your employee, relationship with your employer, relationship with your friends, relationship with whosoever is affecting your life on a daily basis.
फैमिली में यहाँ फैमिली में क्या पैरामीटर है मैम? फैमिली
का पैरामीटर है कि suppose you are single, right? And you only have parents and you are desperately waiting to get married. तो उस केस में क्या हो जाएगा, you are wanting to go ahead and settle down and increase your family members and stuff like that. But अभी क्या है, you are not able to get married, so you are developing a frustration there. बहुत से couples होते हैं, they are not able to have a child. वहाँ पे frustration आ गया because वो family का frustration है.
Understood.
Is it clear?
Understood, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Similarly for your attitude also, similarly for personal growth, how much you are spending time in your personal growth, how much you are giving attention to your personal growth, and how much you feel that you have grown personally. So इस तरह का circle, I will be very happy if you can make this circle and share with me on my personal window if you want to, and I will be more than happy to interact with you on this on a personal level, right?
Sure, I'll do that.
Wants to, and we can just see where exactly we are lacking and why we are not able to go ahead and see what is happening in our lives, right? So everybody is clear on this assignment, is this exercise?
Yes.
Clear.
Okay. Okay, anybody, any question? Rekha, Sonal, are you all clear?
Clear.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, so we will go further, and as we said, if you see this, this is all looking like a pizza slices, and it is all equal here. But once you have a smaller slice or a bigger slice, that is what we are doing in the form of rating. और जब रेटिंग आप करके वो ज्वाइन करोगे डॉट्स, यू विल फाइंड दैट सम स्लाइस इज बिगर, some is smaller, some is very tiny, some is very huge, you know, and then you will see the difference yourself where you are lacking, and how you can how you can work on each level to have a balanced life. Now, how we can create a balanced life? It is very important that we organize ourselves and our life. Organizing means most important is to follow a schedule, any kind of schedule. Even housewives, even homemakers who are at home, they also follow a schedule. Maybe they do not have to go to office, they do not have to do any professional work, but if they do not follow a schedule, then rest of the family will go haywire. कोई school time पे नहीं पहुंच रहा होगा, कोई office time पे नहीं पहुंच रहा होगा, right? So in that way, organizing at the most lowest step or most simplest way of आपका profession है, वहां से लेकर के most complex person has to have his organizing done. And organizing not only means कि meeting कब है, या कब मुझे ऑफिस जाना है, कब मेरा लंच टाइम है, कब जैसे स्कूल में होता है क्या टाइम टेबल फॉलो करना है. This is not only this organizing I am telling, I am also telling to organize yourself. Organizing ourselves, कोई बोल नहीं रहा है लेकिन फिर भी I am getting up at 5 o'clock. You know, I have made myself a point that I will go for a walk 5 o'clock for half an hour. I will organize myself that I have time for my gratitude. I have time for my meditation. I have time for, for myself also. Apart from fulfilling all my responsibilities in terms of all my roles, in terms of being a father, being a parent, being an employee, being a daughter, being a mother, whatever. But then again, we have organized such that in the whole 24 hours time, we have time for ourselves, we have time for our personal growth, we have time for self-development, we have time for leisure also. So everything comes into organizing. ऑर्गेनाइजिंग का ये मतलब नहीं कि मैं सुबह ऑफिस गया और वहां से वापस आ गया तो दैट इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग हो गया. उसके शाम को 6 hours आई एम इन फ्रंट ऑफ टीवी, eating, sleeping, doing everything in front of TV or the nowadays web series or anything like that. So that is completely a waste of time. I personally feel that timing is only resource which we should value the most. और ये आज जो हम आज 9 सितंबर, आज हम लोग यहाँ पर जो बैठे हैं 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, this 9 September 2020, 8 o'clock will never going to come back in your life. And every minute counts. And we should be thankful that we are getting this time every day in our life to, spend in our way. कितने लोग हैं जो कल का सूरज देख भी नहीं पाएंगे. So every day we should understand this, and we should, try to make the most of the resource, which is the most valuable resource, which is time. आप हेल्थ ठीक कर सकते हो दोबारा, फाइनेंसेस ठीक कर सकते हो दोबारा, आप अपने रिलेशनशिप्स ठीक कर सकते हो दोबारा, बट आप टाइम दोबारा नहीं ला सकते. Whatever time is lost. And especially I feel very concerned when I see youngsters wasting their time, the youth wasting their time, because that is the time for them कि उनको वो टाइम कम लगना चाहिए अपना काम पूरा करने के लिए भी. तो 24 hours should be less for them कि उन्होंने इतना अपने आप को ऑक्यूपाई कर रखा है, ये काम है, because that is the time to work. Youth है, मतलब maybe by around 30, by the age of 30 is the time for you to work and make the most of that productive time of your life. Because फिर आगे जैसे जैसे आपकी एज बढ़ेगी, your energy starts coming down, your body don't support you. Maybe you are very healthy, but फिर भी एज फैक्टर तो कहीं ना कहीं आता ही है. Maybe you are very energetic, very healthy, everything is there, but एक आपका मन खत्म हो जाता है. Because whole life you have been struggling, you have been working, and now you don't even want to indulge in any activity. You just want to spend time relaxing and things like that. So time is one of the resources which we should be able to tap in as much as possible while we can. And the second is how we can create a balance by taking care of ourselves first. So making ourselves a priority is not a selfish thing. I have been telling this from day one, that making ourselves a priority is not a selfish thing. We should indulge in our self development, in taking care of ourselves. क्योंकि आपने जितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और रखी है सबने, it's not only me, it's not only you, everyone today has some extra responsibilities in their life. And कोई कहता है ना, अभी I even can't afford to die because I have so much responsibilities. राइट. तो वो एक लेवल, वो एक हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज तो है, बट उन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को पूरा करने के लिए भी तो हमें ठीक रहना पड़ेगा ना. वी हैव टू बी perfect in all the sense, in terms of our health, in terms of our mindset, in terms of our soul, in terms of our well-being, everything. So that is why it is mandatory. पहले के जमाने में ब्यूटी पार्लर जाना was a luxury, ठीक है, जो जाता था उसको लगता था अच्छा है तो बड़ा फैशनेबल हो गई है, राइट. बट आज की डेट में इवन यंगस्टर्स, यंग गर्ल्स, और मे बी होम मेकर और एनीवन, it is mandatory, it is a way of life. It has become a way of life, and it comes into personal care. It is not at all fashion or makeup or anything like that. It is a personal care thing right now. It is grooming, it is personal care. So it has become important, it has become mandatory for people to take care of themselves, spend time in spa, parlors, and pamper themselves. Anything which relaxes you, anything which helps you to enhance your well-being. Set smart goals. Smart goals are goals which are smart, and smart means that they are small, they are measurable, they are attainable, and they are, with respect to time, you have some measure for it. So smart goals means this, that बहुत लंबे गोल्स हम रख लेते हैं कि I want to be a millionaire. कब मिलेनियर बनना है, कितने साल में बनना है, क्यों बनना है, राइट. उसके लिए फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है, वो सब हमें कुछ नहीं पता है, लेकिन आई वांट टू बी अ मिलेनियर. तो अगर हम छोटे छोटे गोल्स रखते हैं which are which can be easily attainable, then उससे जो win होगी, that will always encourage you to work more, always encourage you to do the hard work for the next level. तो जो भी आपके लाइफ के गोल्स हैं, जो भी आपकी लाइफ के ड्रीम्स हैं, प्लीज ब्रेक इट डाउन इनटू स्मॉलर गोल्स, इनटू मंथली गोल्स, वीकली गोल्स, डेली गोल्स. और वो जब छोटे छोटे विन्स आपको मिलते जाएंगे, वो आपका जो बड़ा गोल था कब अचीव हो गया, यू विल नॉट इवन रियलाइज इट, राइट. So it is always important to break down your dreams, break down your goals, bigger goals into smaller short-term goals, so that you can attain them easily. अब मुझे 25 किलो लूज करना, सीधे सोच लिया मैंने 25 किलो लूज करना, वो 25 किलो कभी नहीं हो पाएगा लूज. बट अगर इफ आई थिंक दैट आई विल लूज 2 kgs इन दिस मंथ or 3 kgs in this month, that is achievable, right? And that is an achievable goal. और जब आप मंथ के एंड में 3 kgs लूज करे होंगे, then you will have the motivation to go for the next 3. Maybe you will even go for 4 kgs next month. और धीरे धीरे कब आप वो 25 kgs पे आ गए आपको पता भी नहीं. बट एक स्टार्टिंग ओनली, जैसे मुझे तो 25 किलो रिड्यूस करने हैं, वो 25 किलो आप कभी नहीं रिड्यूस कर पाएंगे. 25 से 30 बन जाएगा, 35 बन जाएगा, बट वो 25 से 24 भी नहीं बनेगा. बिकॉज योर गोल्स आर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. उसको कोई, आपने उसके लिए कोई प्लान ऑफ एक्शन नहीं रखा है तो कि वो आपका गोल आप अचीव कर पाए. ईटिंग अ बैलेंस डाइट, food plays a very important role in our well-being. You know, healthy diet तो हम सब बोलते ही हैं खाने के लिए कि हमें वेजिटेबल्स होना चाहिए, सैलेड्स होना चाहिए, प्रोटीन होना चाहिए, and all that stuff. But even you know, what kind of fruit, what color of fruit, what color of food you should eat. That also helps you to enhancing your well-being, enhancing your energy levels, enhancing your vibrations. We all know हमारे body में chakras होते हैं, different chakras are there which are of which denote different, represent different colors. और अगर हम उस color का particular food खाते हैं तो वो हमारे चक्रास को भी बैलेंस करने में मदद करता है एंड इनडायरेक्टली बैलेंसिंग आवर लाइफ, indirectly helping us to enhancing our lives, enhancing those areas where we are lagging behind. बहुत सिंपल सा स्टेप, ईटिंग अ बैलेंस डाइट, कुछ नहीं करना है. अगर हमें कुछ स्टेबिलिटी इश्यूज है, हमने रेड कलर का एप्पल, अनार, ये सब चीजें इंक्लूड कर ली अपने फूड में, एंड वी विल सी start seeing the changes because it is related to root chakra and that the color is red there, you know. So that way it can, you can see, you can google, you can find it there, you can ask me further also on this. But this is something where I would like to emphasize, eating a balanced diet does not only means healthy, it also means how much we can indulge in the colors, how much colors we can bring on the table. ट्राई कलर पास्ता लोग खाते हैं और कलरफुल सैलेड्स खाते हैं, दैट ऑल हैज अ मीनिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम यू नो showing it on the independence day. It all has meaning also to eat, right? So now coming to key benefits to have a balanced life. Now what are the benefits to have a balanced life? Sorry. uh, when we have a balanced life, definitely we have reduced our stress, we have less stress levels, we are more at peace, we are have a calm attitude, calm mind, and we are not very stressful, we are not easily depressed, we are not easily irritated. We have a control over our life. अभी तक जो लाइफ दूसरा कंट्रोल कर रहा था, जिसका हमारे हैप्पीनेस और हमारा जो भी प्रॉब्लम थी, दैट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ अदर पीपल्स triggering our emotions. Now we have a control on ourselves, we have control wherein we can you know, we can just, the main benefits of having a balanced life is definitely it reduces the stress. You have the control over yourself. Whatever control you were right now giving to different other people, now that control is with you. You are able to, you are not so easily triggered by other person.
Priyanka ji, your voice is coming very low.
My voice is coming low?
Yeah.
Okay, just hold on. Okay, can you hear me now?
हाँ प्रियंका जी, थोड़ा बेटर.
Yeah, you can hear me now, right?
अभी भी कम आ रहा है, थोड़ा वॉइस लो आ रही है. आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स ओनली विद मी और एवरीवन. जस्ट आल्सो टेल.
Are you able to hear me?
वॉइस बहुत फीबल है मैम आपकी. आई मीन अदर्स, कैन यू आल्सो कंफर्म या इट्स ओनली मी?
Anyone else having issue with the voice thing?
It's gone low.
It's gone low.
Yeah, his voice is low now.
Voice is low. Okay, just give me one minute. I will just, you know, fix this. Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, loud and clear.
Okay. Okay, so I think there is some issue with the video is going on, but we will still continue. And so I was talking about key benefits of a balanced life. Definitely, what we see that we have reduced levels of stress. We have a control over our lives, and it also keeps us in high spirits. We have a very high energy once we are able to once we are able to control and lead a balanced life. It also gives you a very high energy, and uh, it also improves your general health and well-being. Obviously, when we are having a balanced life, we are having a peace, a calmness, and a peace at home, at in our lives. We are eating a healthy diet, we are exercising, we are taking care of ourselves. It will all lead to a general health improvement, well-being improvement, mental health improvement, right? So I think we will stop share, and yeah. So anybody who wants to share anything?
Nothing from my side, Priyanka ji. Thanks.
Okay. Anybody else who wants to share anything?
Nothing. Thanks, madam.
Nothing? Okay, that's great.
Thanks.
So I guess we are at the end of the day 3 today now. And most importantly, what I would just want to, recap a little bit on all the 3 days till on today, basically, that what is the importance of a balanced life. And I hope you all can now relate to the exercise which we have given, and do it again at your end, and then you see how much balance your circle of life is coming for you, right? And then from there we can see and understand how to go further. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, so I guess let's take a leave today, and we meet tomorrow again.
Okay. Thank
Yes.
you, madam.
Okay, thank
Yes.
you so much. Any questions anyone have, please, you can put it in the group also, or you can reach me personally, right?
Sure, sure, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so
Sure.
much. Okay,
Yeah,
take care.
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Good
Thank
night.
you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Good
Okay.
night.
Good night, madam.